Hello there YouTube. What we are going to do now is ride to a slightly remote area where I can put down the camera and show you the sound of the Black Widow exhaust, including the catalyst converter. And I am currently riding with the Black Widow exhaust Hexagonal 300mm, I believe, with the standard catalytic converter of the KTM 890 2021. Let's set up my camera and do some flybys. There you have it, catalyst converter with the Black Widow exhaust. And I do have to say, I ride on knobby tires, so there will probably be a bit of noise from the tires. These are the golden tires GT823, and those are very loud on the road. I'm recording it with the DJI Mic Mini 2. Revving to 4000 RPM. Until 8000 RPM. Now I'm going to put it next to the road and let's see if you can hear it loud and clear. Doing a bit of off-road. Making all the people mad. Ah, nice jumpy. Jumpy's over there. Let's jump this little gap. Hoppa. time to leave.